All right, what was it like working with Dr. Melton? Well, I can tell you, for the past 6 years, just over half a decade, we were able to work together and watch Baker overall grow and develop hand in hand. And when you work with someone over a period of time, you do develop a relationship, and I'd like to think of it as a friendship. We spent some tough times together and some good times together, so we were able to celebrate and get through a lot of adversity together. So there is a bond that happens.
Working with Dr. Melton, I find she's a great leader, very intelligent, fun, energetic, and I think she's very much dedicated to the school and to her staff.
Congratulations on your retirement, Dr. Melton. Thank you so much for taking a chance on me and for giving me the opportunity to be a teacher. You were the one who made me fulfill my dream, and you continue to make me better with all your suggestions, and I really appreciate all your support over the next few years. You're very deserving of a wonderful retirement.
Bye, Dr. Melton! Bye, Dr. Melton!
Bye, Audra. Good luck. Hope you have a great retirement, and remember to bring cookies next year.
Bye, Dr. Melton! Bye, Dr. Melton!
Just to say a few words about working with Dr. Melton, it has been absolutely wonderful. I love all the stories that she brings in here to the school about her family and everything else, and she's really, really smart, not to mention tall. I never had to wear heels because it didn't matter with me and her.
You and me taking flicks, making hits, stages they receive you on. Still can't believe you're gonna give anything to hear.
The thing that I like most about Dr. Melton is that she listens to everybody's ideas and lets you know when she thinks you've done something great.
I love Dr. Melton because she is one of our smartest, funniest, most caring principals that we've ever had.
Now, Dr. Melton. Right now, please.
Happy retirement, Dr. Melton! We'll miss you!
Dr. Melton, you're the ultimate built Baker Tough principal. We will all miss you. You've left a little bit of you in all of us. Happy retirement from Baker Middle School. Bye-bye.
And the power you possess in your satin tights, fighting for your rights, and the old red, white, and blue.
Because in the end, remember, people don't remember you by the grades you got or what you wore. They remember you on the person that you are, and you want to be the best Bobcats that we can be. We'll see you.
How do I say